If you're even thinking about using AI Dev Assess, there are 7 crucial things you need to know, especially if you care about saving time, improving code quality, and avoiding the usual AI fluff. This just released AI software is turning heads, and for good reason. You can try it completely free using the first link below, and trust me, you'll want to see what's coming because the last point is something no other dev-focused AI is doing right now. So, what exactly is AI Dev Assess? In short, it's an AI-powered development assistant designed to analyze, assess, and enhance your code in real time. But it's not just another ChatGPT wrapper. What makes it different is how deeply it's integrated into the dev workflow. You drop in your code, and it doesn't just give surface-level suggestions. It gives a structured breakdown of logic, optimization potential, and even architecture-level feedback, depending on your language and framework. It's built for developers, not casual users. That means it speaks your language, whether you're dealing with React, Node, Python, or even legacy code bases. One standout feature is its ability to assess entire repositories, not just single files, making it incredibly valuable for team leads doing code reviews or solo devs managing large projects. And here's where it gets even more impressive. It flags security vulnerabilities, suggests best practices based on modern dev standards, and explains the why behind every recommendation. If you're mentoring junior devs, it turns into an educational tool. If you're a senior dev, it cuts down review time massively. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and very few strike this balance between performance and usability. Another big plus? It's context aware. AI Dev Assess doesn't just copy-paste answers from Stack Overflow, it understands your project's structure. It even looks at your README or config files to tailor its suggestions accordingly. That's a major leap forward from the generic AI tools that treat every file like it exists in a vacuum. They've also nailed the UI. It's clean, dark mode friendly, and fast. No lag when analyzing big files. And everything is structured like a code review you'd get from a top-tier GitHub contributor. The tool's prompt structure under the hood is clearly designed by people who understand software development, not just marketers slapping AI on a product. It also has team-based features in the pipeline: shared project analyses, auto-generated documentation, and continuous learning from your code base as it evolves. That alone could replace multiple SaaS tools you're probably already using. Now, it's not perfect. The current version is still being refined when it comes to multi-language repositories and custom frameworks, but that's improving fast with each update. And since it's brand new, it's evolving quickly. So early adopters will probably get features others will have to wait for. If you're serious about clean, efficient, and secure code, AI Dev Assess is absolutely worth testing, especially while it's free. Use the first link below to try it out, and if you want my full list of the best AI tools, after testing thousands of them, that's also linked in the description. Let me know in the comments what language or framework you're using it on. I'm curious to see how it performs across different stacks.